Imagine discovering Earth's atmosphere's secrets from space. Did you know that astronauts have found a way to track cow burps from orbit? Yes, satellites can detect methane emissions, a major greenhouse gas, from livestock. This quirky fact helps scientists understand climate change better. By monitoring these emissions, we can develop strategies to reduce them and protect our planet. It's amusing to think that space technology helps us keep an eye on cows. So, next time you see a satellite, remember it's not just exploring space, but also watching over our planet. Hit like, comment, and subscribe for more quirky facts.